Hello, I'm Chris Moylan. The grandMA2 system is constantly being improved and expanded. Here are some highlights from the last few software updates. Until 2.5, there had only been one way to filter the programmer and info sheets, using worlds. With the introduction of the new masks pool, it's now easy to save and apply custom filters of fixtures or attributes to every individual sheet. Masks can also be quickly selected in the heading of each sheet. With this, it's easy to quickly view only the information that you want to see. It's also now possible to temporarily assign groups or selections to sheets to view just those fixtures. The predefined masks displayed with the red lock symbol are write protected. By holding the @ button, you will see the redesigned @ filter. There is now a filter pool where you can save combinations of attributes, timings, and effects. Filter number 1 is write protected and has everything active. Filters can be temporarily selected for a single command execution or permanently activated by using the select key. The @ key will blink if a filter is active. These filters are very helpful to quickly store, delete, or copy specific values from fixtures. Worlds and filters can also now be applied to an executor to define its output or input. It is now possible to control individual fixtures or attributes without needing to reprogram queues, or to prevent overriding specific values, times, or effects while saving to an executor. The grandMA show converter is a new standalone program that converts grandMA1 shows in the grandMA2 format. In the following versions, more and more features will be converted. This version introduces official support for the new MA onPC command wing. Many new small improvements and changes to optimize workflow have been implemented. Alongside pan and tilt, XYZ stage coordinates can now be used to control a moving light's position. In the fixture type list, you can enable XYZ support. In the Stage View option menu, you will find a new calibration option that allows you to define the edges of the stage using a variety of methods, such as 4 reference corners. The new Follow function can be switched on in the Stage View heading. Fixtures can be positioned on the stage using the mouse or with XYZ encoders. The Follow feature can even be used for fixtures with no XY coordinates given. You can define the follow area for each object or stage in grandMA 3D. grandMA2 now supports the CITP and MSEX protocols in order to transfer thumbnails from media servers such as Pandora's Box, Hippo, or Archaos. They can then be viewed in the Smart View. After patching the server to your show, add them to the Media Server tab of the CITP menu. After activating CITP, you can use the function Update Thumbnails to send the thumbnails to the console over the network. This first version of CITP MSEX only supports media servers. The timecode editor now supports copying and inserting events. There is also now a play and record symbol for each track that can be individually enabled or disabled. Automatic scrolling is now supported in text mode. The timecode calculator now supports time entry in 24, 25, and 30 frames per second. With the Add Multiple button, multiple events can now be added with a preset time between them. The executor sheet now has a SMPTE and MPC trigger function. Each queue or queue list can be directly triggered using timecode without needing to use a show from the timecode pool. Finally, it is now possible to enable SMPTE or MPC timecode in the clock view. The grandMA fader wing, the MA onPC fader wing, and the onPC command wing now have a menu to help sort and organize their physical positions. There are two simple rules for MA onPC. One onPC can control a total of 4,096 parameters. Each onPC product will add to the total number of possible parameters until the maximum sum of 4,096 has been reached. Finally, starting in this version, the onPC program can be freely scaled to any size, allowing support for screens and laptops with a lower resolution than 1280 by 800. Thanks for watching. For the latest software updates, news, and other information, visit MAlighting.com.